Who invented the wheel? Nobody really knows. There were no patent filings back then. But now the scenario is completely different. Patent filing is intense, and so is the research. Are you also juggling with countless spreadsheets, charts, and email threads every day? It's all so tiresome. Do you even get a moment to relax? Well, with SLATE, you will. Just watch. SLATE is a one-stop solution that brings all IP knowledge to one place. An effortless way to go through the hand-curated and noise-free data. Searching for the insights on drone cameras? Get it within the snap of a finger. SLATE acts like a knowledge base for your company. Refer to activity log anytime, anywhere. Turn your mobile notifications on and never miss what's happening on SLATE. SLATE can be customized according to your needs and integrate with your current tools. Are you still thinking? Don't wait. Get your customized SLATE. Visit www.greyb.com/slate.